Top 10 behavioral interview questions for a software engineer. Question 1. Describe a situation where you improved code efficiency under tight deadlines. Improving algorithm efficiency is critical under tight deadlines for performance and scalability. Question 2. Tell me about a time you worked in a high-pressure environment and succeeded. One of the suggested response could be I handled multiple tasks using task prioritization and automated testing to reduce errors. Prioritization and automation help manage tasks and maintain quality under pressure. Question 3. Can you describe a time you made a mistake in a project? How did you fix it? One of the suggested response could be I realized my mistake, implemented proper validation, and ran regression tests to fix the issue. Admitting mistakes, applying corrections, and testing help prevent future issues in software development. Question 4. Describe a time you had to quickly learn a new technology for a project. One of the suggested response could be I learned the new framework through online tutorials, documentation, and hands-on coding exercises. Self-learning via resources like tutorials and documentation is crucial to staying up to date. Question 5. Tell me about a time when you collaborated with a non-technical team member. One of the suggested response could be I explained technical details using analogies and visual aids to bridge the communication gap. Clear communication with non-technical members improves collaboration and helps meet business goals. Question 6. Describe a time you had to handle conflicting priorities in a project. One of the suggested response could be I assessed each priority, communicated with stakeholders, and focused on high-impact tasks first. Effective communication and prioritization help in balancing conflicting project demands. Question 7. Have you ever dealt with a difficult stakeholder or team member? How did you manage? One of the suggested response could be I actively listened, acknowledged their concerns, and proposed a solution that satisfied both parties. Active listening and compromise foster collaboration and resolve conflicts in teams. Question 8. Tell me about a time you had to debug a complex issue. One of the suggested response could be I used logging, breakpoints, and unit tests to isolate and resolve the bug efficiently. Debugging involves systematic analysis and tools to identify and fix issues quickly. Question 9. Describe a time you had to optimize a system's performance. One of the suggested response could be I optimized database queries and improved memory usage to reduce latency in the system. Performance optimizations are necessary for scalability and fast response times in systems. Question 10. Tell me about a project where you had to meet tight deadlines. One of the suggested response could be I broke the project into smaller tasks, delegated, and focused on critical features first. Breaking down tasks and effective delegation helps meet deadlines without compromising quality.